Your description is killing your views. Here's how to fix it. Hey creators, welcome to the channel. We know you put a ton of time and effort into your videos, but are you getting the views you deserve? One of the biggest mistakes we see creators make is in their descriptions. So today we're going to share 3 hacks to help you write a better description and get more views. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Front load your keywords. People searching on YouTube type in specific keywords to find the content they're looking for. You want to make sure you're re-including those keywords in your description so that your video shows up in search. But don't just sprinkle them in. We found that putting them at the beginning of your description, also known as front loading, can help you get more views. Here are some examples of what that might look like. Hack number 2. Add timestamps and chapters. Viewers like to watch videos with chapters because it makes it easy for them to find the part of the video they're most interested in. And guess what? The YouTube algorithm loves it too. Timestamps and chapters help the algorithm understand your video better, which could help you get more views. Here's how to do it. First, create chapters by adding a heading to each section of your video. Then add timestamps by clicking the time code on the chapter. You want to add a timestamp. You can even use emojis to make your chapters more engaging. Once you're done, your chapters and timestamps will show up in the description of your video. Isn't that cool? Why does this work? Front-loading your keywords, adding timestamps and chapters helps the algorithm understand your video better, which means your video can show up in more places, including the homepage and suggested feeds. That's why we always encourage you to take full advantage of all the tools available to you on the platform. So there you go, 3 hacks to help you write a better YouTube description and get more views. If you want to learn more about writing a great description, check out the links below. Thanks for watching.